Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cash out TikTok earnings. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're wondering how to exactly cash out from your TikTok account here, just in case you started an account in TikTok as a content creator and you are starting or you are able to start earning through the platform itself, well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to understand that TikTok here, depending on where you are or what's your current region, the cash out method or the cash out way for your region or your country may be different depending on where you are. So it differs from time to time here, but the steps are generally going to be the same, just with additional steps depending on where you are. So you want to open up the TikTok app here, and you want to go and click on the profile or the use section at the bottom right of the screen. Now at the top right, go and click on the tree bar icon or the hamburger icon, and from here you want to go and choose the option that says balance. Now in balance, you should see the estimated balance. But in here, if you click on your actual balance here, if you click on balance, this will redirect you to your estimated balance and also the withdrawal time and whatnot here. But how do you add a payment or a payout method here? So at the top right, you should see a three bar icon or the three dot option. Let's go and just click on it. You want to go and choose the payout methods. Now in here, like what I said before, depending on where you are, you'll have different options. Now, if the TikTok account here has chosen the incorrect country here, you go and click on the drop down at the very top here to change your country. But if you are going to use this country here, so as you can see, these are the available payment methods in this specific country or region. Now, you can go and choose either one of the following. So you can use PayPal, Payoneer, bank transfer, or Gcash. Now, in this case, if you choose one of the following options here, they will ask you to fill out some details. So if you choose PayPal, let's go and choose this one. This will require you to log in into your PayPal account. And also, they will require you to verify yourself. So you need to enter the verification code that will be sent to your email address. And once you actually enter it in here, they will ask you to log in into your PayPal account. And typically on the following pages, they will also ask you to upload some ID proof of verification. And you just need to make sure that you take a photo of either your driver's license or your passport here, depending on what you want to provide. But once you provide that, you'll be able to add a payout method here. Once you've done that, you want to go head over back into your balance page here, and you want to go and click on the live reward section. Now in here, you should see the option that says withdraw. So you can go and click on the withdraw option, and once you click on withdraw, you should be able to withdraw it or into the payout method that we just added before. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.